100,000 Homes campaign is a national effort to get 100,000 people who are living on the streets and at risk of dying because of their health conditions into housing over this several year period. Nationwide, we've already housed 35,000 people. The Fairfax County goal is 150 people to be brought in from the woods and the shelters into housing within a 3-year period. 200 volunteers countywide who went out to the shelters and interviewed people, and also went in the woods, under bridges, in vacant lots, into people's vans, and talked to them with this questionnaire, which is a standardized one that everybody was using, that focuses a lot on how long you've been on the streets and the variety of kinds of medical conditions you might have.
I was once homeless before. Me and my child, we slept in the car for 2 years. It's a huge homelessness problem here. It's a lot of our veterans that are actually homeless. I actually had the chance to survey a veteran and a couple of veterans, and it was kind of heart-wrenching and heartbreaking to see somebody that served our country actually sleeping on the street.
There are many ways Fairfax County residents can get involved. Everything from financial support to mentoring to budget counseling and debt reduction to helping folks find employment. Probably the biggest need is the housing, because once you have housing, other things will fall in place a lot easier. One of the big things we find is that people need somebody who cares. So just having a relationship and having somebody they can contact if they are stuck, they're down, they need a ride somewhere, that's a really important piece.
Now I have housing through somebody walking for me or doing something for me for the homeless. I'm no longer homeless with me and my child. I'm going to continue to find everybody that's homeless to help them get homes because I have a heart for it.